Tell me some more about dinosaurs. What?
Dinosaurs were nearly
Okay,
meat.
now.
100 years ago, they died.
Okay. What's your?
And then dinosaurs came to. Dinosaurs just bring them to New Lands. And Brachiosaurus was the biggest. Dinosaur is the elephant.
Okay. What about the Velociraptor?
Velociraptor was bigger than Mustang.
Yeah.
2 feet long.
Wow.
Second, 3.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was the biggest dinosaurs of Brachiosaurus. They were biggest.
And what about a Tetradon?
Not me!
I tell Uncle Matt first.
What about a Tetradon, Elia?
Pteranodon was the biggest dinosaur ever flied.
Oh. Anything else you want to say?
Nope.
All right, then tell everybody goodbye
Goodbye.
and blow them a kiss. Thank you.